So if you're a new Amazon seller, you've certainly heard about brand registration. In this video, we're going to explore what are the pros of being brand registered on Amazon. And if you are a seller selling on Amazon in the Middle East, Amazon UAE, Amazon Saudi Arabia, does your trademark need to be registered in the same country where you are selling? All of these questions and so much more in this video, so let's get started. And as always, if you are a returning subscriber and viewer to the channel, welcome. But if you are a new viewer and this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified service provider and we help Amazon sellers just like you on Amazon in the Middle East, Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video. We upload 3 videos every single week. Like this video because it helps and supports us as well as other potential Amazon sellers looking for content. And leave me your comments and questions in the comments section below. Now, registering a trademark and using that trademark to register your brand on Amazon, it is a great thing to do, but will it actually increase your sales? Does it make any sense for you as a seller? Or is it just Amazon making life harder for you as a seller? Let's talk about it in this video. Now, I'm not gonna go through the step-by-step process of how you actually go through the brand registry process on Amazon, but worry not. I've got all of this information in a downloadable PDF file. You can find it in the description box of this video. So you can just log in, go down to the section and type it, or we'll also add it in the first comment and pin it. So you'll just find a link, you just click on the link, you add your email and your name, and then we'll send you the file so you know how to register. So let's just focus on the actual trademark and how you can utilize that trademark to register on Amazon. Let's start off with the pros. Number 1, it gives you increased control over your brand. When you get started on Amazon, you quickly realize that it's a platform that has a lot of competition. So having your brand registered, being trademarked, will help you with preventing hijackers as well as resellers. You'll also be able to prevent copycats and people utilizing your brand name as well as your brand likeness. Number 2, enhanced brand content, or better known as EBC or A+ content. This is really one of the main features as to why you would want to become brand registered, because Amazon provides you with all of these additional features that you can add into your brand page, into your product page, as well as your brand store, which according to data can increase your sales by 20 to 40%. And of course it will, because number 1, adding a video to your listing certainly is going to help the customer understand the look and feel of your product, especially if you create a really fun video, especially if you utilize that video to showcase the unique features of your product. Second of all, you can add some additional images and more information about your product. That's only in the product page. Then you can also create a brand store where you can showcase all of your products under that brand. All of those will, of course, get more information out to the customer in a different format and will help you convert more customers because you're simply giving them more information. Having access to EBC also helps you have access to different parts of advertising. So you can advertise videos, you can do brand ads. There's a different mechanism to just doing the sponsored product ads. Number 3, increased credibility and trust. Of course, having that brand name registered and showcasing all of those details will certainly get you more trust and credibility from the customer. And even if you are a new and a small seller, it's not going to show that that's the case when you have a brand that is registered on Amazon with all of the collateral that you're able to create. And finally, you can have access to advanced tools and analytics. This is where, customers aren't going to see this, but you as a seller are going to be able to have more analysis, more in-depth insights, more information from Amazon. So that's going to help you improve, fine-tune, and get better sales, even find complementary products to sell as part of your product portfolio. Okay, by now you're probably thinking, great, Crystal, this sounds all good, but how do I actually trademark? and what mistakes do sellers make whenever they're thinking of trademarking, whether that be in the UAE or in the US. Let's talk to the expert from Kaz IP. So I get a question all the time about, should I register my trademark in the UAE? Of course, for UAE-based sellers, should I register my trademark in the US, even if they are based in the UAE? So let's go through it. What are the key differences between, if there are any, between registering a trademark in the UAE and registering a trademark in the US?
Okay, see, so generally, getting a trademark in US is more beneficial. Reason being, Amazon brand registry, US trademarks allows to enroll in the Amazon brand registry, which provides, enhanced brand protection. Enforcement is very good. Plus, the market size in the US is larger. It's the biggest e-commerce platform. So having a trademark in US helps you protect the brand in the e-market where all the sellers are. But again, it depends who is your targeted market, because trademarks are jurisdiction rights. So if your market, your targeted audience is UAE, so you should get it in UAE.
So let's say somebody registered their trademark in the UAE for all of our sellers that are selling on Amazon UAE. Obviously, like you just said, there is a system through Amazon's brand registry where you can register that trademark, and then there's a certain mechanism of how you can protect your name on the Amazon platform. But of course, there are a lot of sellers that sell on their own website. Maybe even in retail. How can you protect yourself off of Amazon? What do you need to do if you find somebody copying your name? What is the process that you do specifically in the UAE?
All right. See, for this, actually, there are three things which I should mention. Number one is your clientele. Okay. Your clientele is your eyes and ear. They can always reach out to you and tell you that, okay, they have seen the copy, because as you will be the registered brand, so the registered mark will be with your brand. So if they see any copycats there, they can always reach out to you and tell you that, okay, some infringement is happening. Apart from that, you can always, if you are the registered owner, you can always take the legal action. You can go to the court and legally you can confront the infringer. In that, what we have noticed that even a simple email from the registered owner, most of the time, like 80% of the time, is enough for infringers and copycats to back out. The most important thing, the heavy hitter here, is the authority. They have the counterfeiting department. So if you are a registered trademark, you can always reach out to them and you can register there that you are registered. So they also keep an eye out for the infringers. So if they see any similar names or any copy going on, they can always reach out to you and inform you.
That's perfect.
So this is how the enforcement can be done. Yeah.
However, obviously, you guys at Kaz IP have, over 23 years of experience and you've seen it all. What are some common mistakes that you find people make? And maybe they come to you for help and support, but what are the common mistakes that they make that might get their trademark registered? Because of course, trademarking is not cheap. It's quite, it's quite expensive, and it's a long process. It's not like 1 or 2 weeks. So any common mistakes so that people can avoid them?
So I would say, see, there is one thing called the official search of the trademark, which is not compulsory. So because it is not compulsory, most of the time, people overlook this and start their trademark registration. So it is not compulsory, it is optional, but I highly recommend to have the official trademark search done before starting the registration, because there is no point in wasting so much money and time. And after 4 or 5 months, you come to know that, okay, this trademark is not available for you. So there is no point in that. So this is the common mistake. And how can we avoid this? Simply by conducting the official search in the beginning. Once you are sure that, okay, this mark in this class is available for me in this region, you can always start with that.
If you want to reach out to the Kaz IP team, I've left a form also in the description box of this video. Just add all of your information. We'll send that information over to them and they'll contact you for help and support. Let me know if you have any additional questions about trademarking and brand registration on Amazon. Leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.